What is indefinite integrals? If the function capital F of x is the antiderivative of small f of x, then f of x plus c is called the indefinite integral of small f of x. It is denoted by integral f of x dx, where this is the sign or the symbol for integration. Integration sign, where f of x is the function which is to be integrated is called integrand, and dx represents the variable with which the function is to be integrated. Therefore, we can write integral f of x dx is equals to capital F of x plus c. Here f of x is the integrand and c is the integration constant. Let us see through an example why we call capital F of x as antiderivative. Look at these examples. Differentiation of x square. d by dx of x square gives us 2x. Likewise, d by dx of x square plus 75 also gives 2x, where 75 becomes constant 0. d by dx of x square minus 100 also gives us the value of 2x plus 0. What does this signifies? If we take the integration of 2x dx, as we all know that integration is the reverse process of differentiation or the antiderivative, then it must be x square. But it can be x square, it can be x square plus 75 or x square minus 100. Therefore, we add a constant plus c, where it is called the integration constant. Let us learn the formulas of integration. First one, integral x power n dx is equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, where n is not equals to minus 1. Second one, integral dx is equals to, we can write this as integral x power 0 dx. If we substitute the above formula, we get x power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1, and we get it as x plus c, where c is the integration constant. Third one, integral 1 by x dx is equals to log x plus c. Fourth one, integral 1 by x square dx is equals to, this can be written as x power minus 2 dx, and if we substitute this formula, we get x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c, and on simplification we get x power minus 1 by minus 1 is equals to minus 1 by x plus c. Fifth one, integral root x dx is equals to, we can write root x as x power 1 by 2 dx. This is in the form of first one, integral x power n dx, where n is equals to 1 by 2. It is equals to x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. On simplification, we get x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. We can write this as 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus c. Next, sixth one. Integral e power x dx is equals to e power x plus c. Seventh one. Integral a power x dx is equals to a power x by log a base e plus c. Eighth one. Integral sin x dx is equals to minus cos x plus c. Ninth one. Integral cos x dx is equals to sin x plus c. Tenth one. Integral secant square x dx is equals to tan x plus c. 11th one. Integral cosecant square x dx is equals to minus cot x plus c. 12th one. Integral secant x into tan x dx is equals to secant x plus c. 13th one. Integral cosecant x into cot x dx is equals to minus cosecant x plus c. Next, 14th one. Integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx is equals to sin inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. 15th one. Integral 1 by mod x into square root of x square minus 1 dx is equals to secant inverse x plus c or minus cosecant inverse x plus c. 16th one. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equals to tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c. 17th one. Integral sin hx dx is equals to cos hx plus c. 18th one. Integral cos hx dx is equals to sin hx plus c. 19th one. Integral secant square hx dx is equals to tan hx plus c. 20. Integral cosecant square hx dx is equals to minus cot hx plus c. 21. Integral secant hx into tan hx dx is equals to minus secant square minus secant hx plus c. 22. Integral cosecant hx into cot hx dx is equals to minus cosecant hx plus c. 23rd one. Integral 1 by square root of 1 plus x square dx is equals to sin h inverse x or log of mod x plus square root of 1 plus x square plus c. 24th one. Integral 1 by square root of x square minus 1 dx is equals to cos h inverse x or log of mod x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. 24th one. Integral 1 by 1 minus x square dx is equals to tan inverse x plus c or 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x plus c. Integral d by dx of f of x is equals to f of x plus c. 27th one. D by dx of integral f of x dx is equals to f of x. 28th one. Integral k into f of x dx is equals to, k is the integration constant, we take k out from the integration symbol and we write k into integral f of x dx. 29th one. Integral f of x plus or minus g of x dx is equals to, if the integration function has two functions, one is f of x and the other is f of x, we separate the integration for both the terms and write it as integral f of x dx plus or minus integral second function g of x dx. And finally last 31. Integral, if there are f1 of x plus f2 of x plus or minus and so on, fn of x functions in the integration dx, we write it as, we separate integration for these each function and write integral f1 of x dx plus integral f2 of x dx plus and so on plus integral f1 of x dx.